What's up? You ready for your shit?
Yes, sir.
The homie right here. Welcome to the vlog, guys. We got another B20 Beast, B20VTECH. Let's go. Shee. Right here. We're trying to get the injectors out. Little tie wastegate. Little, is it 50 mil?
Yeah, a little 50 trim.
50 trim, brand new.
eBay turbo.
Hey, that's all we need for the jam, bruh. Come on now. This thing looks fresh.
Something to do. To have fun on the streets, you feel me?
Yeah. Yeah. Got it. Where'd you get that thing at? Huh?
The injector?
Yeah.
Got on my fucking,
Let's go.
my boy. Hooked it up.
Maybe like in an hour or so, we're gonna start this car. We're just changing the injectors for now because these are 1,000 cc's and they're a little too big for our computer. So we're gonna warm up the car. That's what it is. Get all the oil from put to the turbo and stuff. It's all brand new. So today will be the first day. You think I'll start?
Fuck yeah, man.
Let's go. Yeah, feels good.
Tried a couple times.
Yeah. We're about to start this thing, boy. You all excited? Let's go. Hey, you good? Fuck it, let her rip. First start. Woo! Gee! Nice. Nice. Hey, let it run. Don't rip. Let the oil circulate. Damn, now the one alive. Woo! Gee! Let's go. Let's check out that turbo though. Oh fuck, bro.
Oh, at the bottom, watch out, watch out.
Turbo. Oh, we got a leakage. You gotta
What is that? Oil, huh?
yeah.
Fuck.
It's on the turbo, bro. You didn't tighten it good. You gotta
Where did I tie
it's probably a gasket he's missing. What the hell do we have here? No, it's more over here. Hold on, it's over here.
What the fuck, fool?
Did you plug this shit, bro? It's in here. It's your feed.
Oh, it's this?
Yep, it's the feed. Just open it.
Gasket.
What'd you do in the gasket? You closed it, huh?
No, I think I probably forgot a gasket.
There's a gasket in there, but I don't think you put. Just open it. It's clogged. Damn. All right.
Well, I mean, at least we fucking.
Round two. It's dripping hard. Yep. That shit is dripping hard down there. Okay, let's pull it out and see how it looks.
To see what the fuck, bro.
Yeah. Damn. Okay.
Let it fucking cool off real quick.
Shut. So we found the problem. Gasket is broken, it's gone. See, we have a little meat right there. Not there. So that's why we're leaking. Should be able to fix it in no time. We have an extra one, so we're gonna try to put it in and start it back again. Get this car warmed up. See what we need to find, what leaks we find. That's what it is. So let's go. Old school. Got it? Gee, let's go. You didn't put that in, huh? That's the one you're supposed to put. Are you laughing? But yeah. I'm catching you, bro. You just left it in there and you just put it in. Totally. That's what we need. Yeah. Let's go. Hold on. Yeah. Here we go, round 2. Oh, Let's leave it. Let's leave it idle. What do you think? Yeah. Let's go. So turbo. Oh, it's not spinning, G. What'd you do? Okay, turn it off, turn it off, turn it off.
It's not spinning, huh?
What the?
That's supposed to be right there, yeah, huh?
Where you at? Yeah, it should be at vacuum. That's
Right.
vacuum. So when you start gunning it, it'll start building up the boost. So yeah, you just want to run it like this, bro. But don't fucking do any pull, bro.